body down?
Yeah.
Or just his eyes are sticking out of the water?
No, before it must have been, see that thing floating on his back?
Mm.
Must have been that dropped in and must have been the American alligators, Dad.
Mm.
They're American alligators.
Mm.
Says there.
I know.
喐緊啦，後喐緊啦，睇佢，遊緊啦，一係要跳咩？可以打住佢唔得。
知道嗎？
Sorry?
Marcel, guck mal hier.
Oder doch machen wir.
Auf diesem Tierkrankenhaus. Guck mal, die Vögel sind entweder krank oder zu klein.
Hast du gehört?
Ja.
It's the doctor. 14, 17.
Ja, haben wir gleich.
July.
George. Was sind wir davon?
Got pimples on it.
We'll stand over by the fence. Move to one side. Here, this way. Swan here, a couple of young swans, Carol.
Annika en tvillinger eller själva. En konen tror jag såg ut som. Men jag tar ju upp det allt här. Ingen gör det.
There's a pretty boy there.
To do what? Oh, a little. Oh, how about a job, Elvira? One more. Using its habitat, the tropical rainforest. And in fact, in some areas, they're losing it at the alarming rate of 40 acres per minute. Wow, 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 wow. That is really fast. So if we want to keep a beautiful bird like Rainbow around, you know how beautiful you are. All the way up there, one more time. There we go. We do need to help protect that habitat. There are some simple things we can do right here at home to help protect it. Things like recycling aluminum.